Hello everyone, welcome to TechObro. Today I'm going to show you how to create a blog post. For that I need to log into my WordPress. After login, click on post, add new post. From here, add a title. Let's write blog. Add some images, or if you want to add any paragraph, from here you can add paragraph. Let me add a paragraph. Paste it. I have pasted a paragraph here. Now I can select a feature image for this blog. So go to post, set feature image. Let's search for any image. Let's take it. Set feature image. It is here now. Let's publish this page. The page is live now. So let's check it. So it is here. This is how you can create a blog post. That's all for today. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.